what are your thoughts about ChatGPT and how you are currently using it? For me, I'm just using it for like simplifying data extraction and things like that. I've talked about some of that on my Twitch stuff too. That would be, come join me at 6:30 a.m. and ask me there, and I'll go through some of the prompts and stuff that I use for. Like, I like to extract all the communities from a Wikipedia page, and I tell it extract all the communities, census designated places, towns, unincorporated communities, and give them to me in list format. And it'll come out, it'll scrape all those entities, location entities from a Wikipedia page and put them in list format. And then I might say, okay, now put them into a table format with the population and sort them in a descending order by population. It'll take that same list of communities and it'll put it into a table, and it'll put them in with the population values in the next column and sort it by descending population, things like that. And then that's how I start building out local pages and things like that. So, I mean, that's a lot of kind of the stuff that I'm doing with it. Extract all the top level Wikipedia entities about topic. Give me a list. They'll give you a list. Okay, now group those entities into topic clusters and give it to me in a silo structure that I can build for an WordPress or silo structure, right? And it'll do. You might have to reprompt it a couple times to refine it, but once you get it, boom, now you've got all like basically a topic map. What I call it a topic map, right? It's a topical authority map that then you can go out and build out all that content based around the structure that ChatGPT spits out for you. There's a lot of things you can do with it. That's what I'm doing with it. It's just more like data stuff. Anyway. Does directing customers straight to GPP ever help? Obviously, it's been for search and clicks. Yeah, of course it helps. Or directing customers to go search Google for the brand name and click through. Like, I'm not kidding. That's why you hear sometimes on radio ads and things like that. Just go to Google and search instead of them giving you a direct, like, remember, like radio ads, if done right, are direct response ads, right? So most of the time they're going to send you directly to an offer page or tell you to call a number. But if you've ever heard radio ads where they say, go to Google and search, like that is precisely to get that branded search and click activity. And that absolutely helps, man. That absolutely helps.